Wait.
Pero
Pero
kasi
pero
umabot naman within the 10 session
kaya
days
nga
eh.
ito nga, in-issue ba ng Supreme Court kasi ba yung 10 session days na yan o hindi?
It's on the Constitution. So
Hindi,
Constitution, in my
kaya nga,
opinion, reigns
is
supreme.
that an issue doon sa Supreme Court decision or not?
Oh yeah, okay, good question.
Di ba?
Actually, hindi yung 10 session days
Sandali.
yung
You answer first, yes or no. Is
yes.
it an issue doon para makuha ko kung ano yung magiging sagot
Yes.
mo? Is it an
Yeah.
issue doon sa Supreme Court decision or not?
Not the 10 session days, no.
Correct, 'di ba? So why are we
Yeah,
talking
but your
about it?
issue was immediately, sabi mo.
Kaya nga, pero so why are we talking about it if it is not actually an issue that was tackled upon by the Supreme Court? Ito kasi ang problema sa inyo. Ang nangyayari sa inyo, nagkakaroon kayo ng straw man. Naglalagay kayo, nagsasabi kayo ng ginawa ng Supreme Court na hindi naman nila ginawa. Parang 'yan. 'Di ba? Okay, I'll proceed to my next question. Ngayon,
Yes, please.
nakalagay din doon sa Supreme Court decision na mas maganda sana kung ang ginawa ng Congress ay kinonsolidate yung mga petitions.